Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn to use the extremely powerful sum-if formula in Excel. It allows you to do totals based on conditions that you give it and what all conditions can you give it. I have used this data set as an example and have used these many conditions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 conditions. So let's try to understand the example first, and then we will be able to understand how to apply the extremely powerful sum-if formula. So we have sales reps whose names are Jack, Jill, X-Men, Superman, Spider-Man, X-Men, Jack, and Superman. These are the units that they have sold. These are the values of each unit. So this is their total amount of the sales that they have done. Now, using the sum-if formula, we can find how many sales has an individual person done. All right. So like in this case, let's apply this formula. What we have done is, see, we have tried to find the sales of Superman using the sum-if formula like this is equal to sum-if add the cells specified by a given condition or criteria. Range means the range from which you will give the criteria, so that will be the name range, comma, criteria. What is your criteria? You can either type it in or select it. Let me select it. So let me select Superman. Now give the sum range. Now what do you want to sum? You can sum the total units he has sold, the values of those units he has sold. So let's select the values of the unit he has sold and close the formula. And here's the answer, 14,800. You can find the total number of units that have been sold. So we can find that also with a similar way. You can give any condition. So like over here, I'm pressing F2 to go into the edit mode. What I'm doing is that I'm trying to find out all the total of the sales wherein the units sold were 50. So 1, 2, and here's the answer. So 10,000. See, 5,000 plus 5,000. Same way, over here I have done greater than 50. So I've given it a criteria that the value should be greater than 50 of the units sold and then give me the total. So this is how I got it. Over here, what you need to keep into account is that while you're typing greater than 50, you have to put it under quote marks. All right. This is for less than 50. This is for just the total of the units. Let me apply this for you. Is equal to sumif range. The sum range would be the same, which would also be containing the criteria range. See, I am typing less than 50. And see, I'm not giving the sum range, which would mean that the criteria range will be taken as the sum range. So 56 is the answer. Over here, less than equal to, sorry, let me apply less than equal to, then we'll get the right answer, 156. This is the sum of all the items which are less than or equal to 50. That's what we have done. So 31, 25, 50, 50. The sum is 56. You see this over here? 156. Same way I have done it for greater than. This is not equal to, same condition. And this is again wherein the name is not equal to what we are trying to search for. For example, The criteria range is this one when the names are there, and the sum range is this one. And we are trying to find the total for everybody except Superman. So we are typing in this symbol less than, greater than together, and mentioning the name Superman under these, within these quotes, so that we get total for everyone for this range, sorry, except Superman. And here the name starts with, this is interesting, let me apply this for you because it's using something important. Let me show you how it is done and then I'll explain. So we have typed in sumif and the range is the name range, and we're trying to find the total items sold by somebody whose name starts with X, which is of course X-Men. All right. So how do we apply that? Is equal to sumif, range is the name range. Now we will give the criteria, open the quotes mark, type in X, which is the first letter, and then enter a wildcard, which is this multiplication sign, and the quotation sign, quote sign, and then give the sum range. Let this be the sum range, and press close the bracket. The answer is 100. See, X-Men 25, X-Men 75. 25 and 75 is equal to 100. Same goes with the name is X digits long. So what I did over here was, we took this name range. We wanted to total up the units sold by somebody whose name starts with S and is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 plus S. S plus 8 digits long. So S plus 8 digits would be who? Let it be, I believe that would be Spider-Man, because Superman is S plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Spider-Man is X plus S plus 8. 1, S plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See? 50. Spider-Man is here only once, 50. So this is what all you can do with the sumif formula. Do practice it. It's a very, very important formula, very powerful. A bit complex, but you'll learn. See you in the next video.